Meek, how you doing? Hanging out? Yeah, you're a good boy. Miko? Andy? Andy? Say hello. Hi, Andy. Hi, say hello. Yep, there's Andy. Hi, booger. Andy. Whoop. Hey, be nice. Be nice now. Jokey Joe. This is Joey. Hi, Joey. He's a big boy. His birthday's tomorrow. He's going to be 8 years old. Huh, Joe? And up here is Gray Guy. Hi, Gray Guy. Gray Guy belongs to the neighbors. He comes over and hangs out with my 3 cats. They pretty much get along. Well, that's it. That's my kitty cats. Bye-bye.